Okay, and number 7, we're asked to figure out if a point lies on the plane. There's a couple ways you can go about doing this. Method 1, we'll use parameters. So x equals 4 plus 3p minus 6q. Y would then be 1 minus 2p plus 6q. And z would be 6 plus p minus q. We're given a point, so we should be able to fill those in for x, y, and z. So I get 4 equals 4 plus 3p minus 6q. And 5 equals 1 minus 2p plus 6q. And 6 equals 6 plus p minus q. We should then be able to pick any two equations and solve it, and then check the third. So, just to make this first one easier, we got 0 equals 3p minus 6q. This would be 4 equals negative 2p plus 6q. And I notice, hey, these both have 6q in them, so let's bring this one down here. 0 equals 3p minus 6q. I can solve this by using elimination. In particular, I can add them because the q's have opposite signs. So I'll get 4 equals p. Well, that's great, because now I can go back to the equation I started with, 3p minus 6q. Plug in the 4, so 3 times 4 minus 6q. 6q equals 12, q equals 2. Okay, if that point 4, 5, 6 is on the line, then when I use p is 4 and 6 is q in this equation, it better come out to 6. Let's try it. 6 equals 6 plus p, p is 4, minus q, q is 2, and I end up with 6 equals 8. Oh, 6 doesn't equal 8. Not on the line. Okay, that's method 1. Method 2 is you could do find the Cartesian plane. So for my Cartesian, I would have to take S and cross it with T. So S was negative 2, 1, 3, negative 2. Negative 2, 1, 3, negative 2. And 6, negative 1, 6, negative 1, negative 6, 6. I'm going to find our normal, right? So 2 minus 6, negative 6 minus negative 3, and 18 minus 12. So we'll get negative 4, negative 3, and 6. Or if you use the positive version, 4, 3, negative 6. Okay, what do we get? 4x plus 3y minus 6z plus d is 0. The point we were given was 4, 1, 6. We've got to use that one to figure out the d part. So 4, 1, and 6. So we'll get 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 minus 36 is negative 17. So d is 17. Sorry, 17. So our equation, the Cartesian equation, 4x plus 3y minus 6z plus 17 equals 0. Okay. Now I can check the point we were given. Does the point lie on that line, 4, 5, 6? Well, if it does, then this better come out to 0, right? So 4, 5, 6. And we're going to get 16 plus 15 minus 36 plus 17 should come out to 0. And what do we get? Well, we get 12. Well, that doesn't equal 0. So again, not on the line. So your choice in how you want to solve that one. There's just two different options.